Of chopped and Natal. Let me begin by expressing deepest congratulations to my dear brother, the Foreign Minister of Czech Republic, for organizing this meeting of Foreign Ministers of SCO member states. I would also like to pay tribute to the vision of His Excellency, the Czech President, whose steadfast commitment to the Central Asian cooperation has been a defining contribution to SCO's development and progress. As a founder member of the Shanghai Five and subsequently the SCO, Kyrgyzstan has been instrumental in anchoring the Shanghai spirit within the heart of Central Asia and beyond in the larger SCO family. Kyrgyzstan's leadership role remains a cornerstone of our collective security architecture. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, since its establishment in 2001, the SCO has become an anchor for regional cooperation, driving vital progress in peace, security, stability, and economic connectivity, while also simultaneously fostering deep cultural exchanges among member states. While celebrating its 25th anniversary, we underscore the enduring strength of the Shanghai spirit. This foundational philosophy continues to guide our collective efforts through mutual trust, equality, cultural respect, shared growth, and constructive diplomacy. The SCO's achievements over the last quarter of a century are indeed remarkable. It has successfully transitioned from a security-centric Shanghai Five to a comprehensive entity that integrates security, economy, development, culture, and peace, among others. On the economic front, we have seen trade volumes among members growing many folds. Our collaborative framework has been vital in combating the three evils of terrorism, separatism, and extremism. We deeply appreciate the role of SCO in promoting respect for international law and good neighborliness. Excellencies, looking forward the next 25 years, the SCO must evolve to meet the new emerging challenges. Our vision, encapsulated in the SCO Development Strategy 2035, must focus on digital inclusivity, bridge the technological divide, and ensuring energy security through projects like TAPI pipeline and CASA 1000 regional electricity transmission. We must also advance towards financial integration, including the use of national currencies in mutual payments to build a resilient regional economy independent of external shocks. Excellencies, our region is passing through an eventful time. It has always been and continues to be Pakistan's desire to see a peaceful, stable, regionally integrated and prosperous Afghanistan, which is at peace with itself and its neighbors. This is in the best interest of all SCO member states and beyond. At present, the threat of terrorism emanating from Afghanistan is one of the most serious security challenges for us. Terrorist organizations, including TTP, BLA, ETIM, and similar other affiliates, continue to be well documented by the UN Analytical Support and Sanctions Monitoring Team. Excellencies, Pakistan has been at the forefront of this terrorist threat. TTP terrorists are undertaking attacks against Pakistan's security forces and civilians using Afghan soil as the base of operations. In this year alone, more than 560 innocent Pakistanis have been martyred in over 2,000 terrorist attacks. It is also deeply concerning that Afghan nationals have been found to be involved in these terrorist incidents. Excellencies, durable peace, stability, and economic development can only be achieved with the eradication of the menace of terrorism emanating from the Afghan soil. We hope that the SCO would call upon the Afghan Taliban regime to honor its counter-terrorism commitments to the international community and fulfill its responsibilities towards global peace and security. Distinguished colleagues, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan firmly believes that dialogue, diplomacy and mutual respect provide the only sustainable way forward to resolve conflicts and achieve durable peace and security. Guided by this conviction, Pakistan facilitated and hosted the Islamabad talks between Iran and the United States on 10th and 11th of April this year, enabling first high-level direct diplomatic contacts between the two sides after 47 years. The diplomatic process thus initiated culminated in the signing of the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।